Welcome back to an exciting journey toward achieving your homeownership dreams. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to save for your dream home. Don't let the idea of homeownership seem out of reach. We're about to reveal a step-by-step plan to make it a reality. Importance of homeownership. We'll kick things off by discussing why homeownership is such a significant life goal. From financial security to creating a place of your own, we'll explore all the compelling reasons to strive for it. Step 1. Setting clear homeownership goals. Our first step is setting clear homeownership goals. This isn't just about saying, "I want a house." We'll help you define your dream home, budget, and ideal location. It's all about making your dream as specific as possible. Step 2. Calculating your home budget. Let's move on to the nitty-gritty of calculating your home budget. We'll discuss how much you should save, including down payments, closing costs, and even that emergency fund that's often overlooked. Step 3. Creating a home savings plan. We'll reveal the secrets of creating a home savings plan that aligns with your budget and goals. We'll look at various savings strategies, including high-yield savings accounts, investment options, and more. Step 4. Budgeting like a pro. Budgeting is crucial, and we'll show you how to do it like a pro. It's not just about saving, it's also about managing your finances wisely to free up more money for your homeownership fund. Step 5. Overcoming common savings challenges. Savings challenges often arise. We'll cover some common obstacles people face and how to overcome them. Whether it's managing debt or dealing with unexpected expenses, we've got solutions for you. Step 6. Staying motivated. Staying motivated throughout the homeownership journey can be a struggle. We've got motivational tips and tricks to help you stay focused on your goal, even when the road gets tough. Step 7. Review and adjust. Budgets aren't static. They need regular reviews and adjustments. We'll discuss how to make sure your homeownership plan evolves as your life does. Benefits of homeownership. In the final segment, we'll explore the incredible benefits of homeownership. It's not just about having a place to call your own, it's about building equity, creating financial stability, and achieving your dream. Conclusion. And there you have it. This comprehensive guide to saving for your dream home. You can make homeownership a reality, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss more life-changing financial insights. Share this video with friends and family and embark on your homeownership journey together. Your dream home is closer than you think. House with Garden Rocket.